We are counting down the 9 simplest ways to reclaim your electric vehicle's lost range. No gadgets, just smart fixes. From overlooked maintenance habits to everyday tweaks that most drivers miss, these strategies are backed by data and could restore up to 10% or more of your battery's performance. Curious which hack makes the biggest difference? Let's kick off the countdown, starting with number 9. Number 9, wheel alignment might be the most overlooked cause of lost EV range. Even a slight toe or camber misalignment means your tires are constantly being dragged sideways, creating hidden resistance that saps efficiency with every mile. According to the EPA, misaligned wheels can cut your range by up to 10%. That is like losing 20 to 30 miles on a typical 300-mile EV. Unlike tire pressure or roof racks, this drag never goes away until it is fixed. If you have not had an alignment check in the past year, or if you have hit a major pothole, schedule a professional service. A simple adjustment could instantly restore lost range and save your tires from premature wear. 8th place goes to a setting that takes almost no effort but can quietly boost your solo driving range: driver-only climate mode. On models from Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis, just tap the driver-only button on your HVAC panel. This simple switch cuts the volume of air being heated or cooled by as much as 50%, so the system focuses its energy where it matters most. If your car does not have this feature, manually closing passenger vents will get you most of the way there. Real-world tests show energy savings of 5 to 10% on solo drives, with zero impact on comfort. It is a quick daily habit that pays off with every mile you drive alone. Number 7. Highway speed is the silent thief of electric vehicle range. Dropping your cruising speed by just 5 miles per hour can unlock a surprising boost. Real-world fleet data from Recurrent shows that driving a Tesla Model 3 at 75 miles per hour instead of 65 miles per hour slashes range by 10 to 15%. That means a 300-mile trip could shrink to 255 miles just from pushing the pedal a little harder. Most electric vehicles reach peak efficiency between 45 and 60 miles per hour, but every mile per hour above that ramps up aerodynamic drag exponentially. The effect isn't subtle. Energy use per mile climbs sharply as you speed up. On your next highway drive, try easing back by 5 miles per hour. It's a no-cost, instant way to reclaim double-digit percentage points in range, and it works for every make and model. 6th place goes to the aero cleanup, a quick fix with outsized impact on your EV's highway range. Even an empty roof rack can drag down efficiency by 10 to 15%, according to wind tunnel tests on crossovers like the Volkswagen ID.4 and the Kia EV6. That is as much as 25 miles lost on a typical 250-mile trip, just from leaving unused gear on your roof. Aerodynamic drag climbs dramatically with speed, so any extra hardware up top becomes a range killer on longer drives. The solution could not be simpler. If you are not actively using roof racks, bike carriers, or cargo boxes, take them off and store them in the garage. Owner logs confirm that this one change can instantly restore double-digit miles to your range with zero cost or effort beyond a few minutes of unscrewing brackets. Keep your roof clean and your battery will thank you every time you hit the open road. In 5th place, mastering the balance between coasting and regenerative braking can unlock a surprising boost in your EV range. Regenerative braking is impressive, recovering up to 70 to 90% of braking energy in city driving, but it is not loss-free. About 10 to 25% of that energy disappears as heat in the conversion process. That is why the smart move is to use strong regenerative braking in stop-and-go traffic under 45 miles per hour where frequent decelerations make energy recovery worthwhile. On the highway though, coasting is king. Lift off the accelerator above 50 miles per hour and let your car glide, and you minimize conversion losses while preserving more kinetic energy. Many EVs even offer a sailing mode for this reason. The simple rule is, in urban traffic, maximize regenerative braking, and at steady highway speeds, favor coasting. Adopting this habit can mean a 5 to 10% improvement in real-world range, all without changing a single setting or buying new hardware. Number 4. The +2 PSI tire trick delivers big gains with almost no effort. Tires naturally lose about 1 PSI every month, and every 10-degree drop in temperature steals another pound of pressure. Underinflated tires quietly sap your range by increasing rolling resistance, and according to the Department of Energy, just a single PSI below spec costs you about 0.2% in efficiency. That means a 4 PSI drop can shave nearly a full percent off your range, or even more in cold weather. The fix is simple. Check your tire pressure weekly and inflate to the number on your door placard, or go up by 2 PSI for extra margin. Never exceed the maximum pressure printed on the tire's sidewall. This small weekly habit can recover 2 to 5% of your range, making it one of the highest return, lowest effort hacks on the list. Keep a reliable digital gauge in your glove box, and your electric vehicle will roll farther with every charge. Number 3 is the seat heater protocol, a winter game changer for EV range. Blasting the cabin heat can drain 4,000 to 7,000 watts from your battery, but seat heaters sip just 30 to 80 watts each. Add in a heated steering wheel, typically drawing only 10 to 20 watts, and you are staying warm for a tiny fraction of the energy. That is the secret. Warming your body directly is far more efficient than heating up all the air around you. The practical move is to turn your main heater down to 66 or 68 degrees Fahrenheit and let the seat and wheel heaters do most of the work. This one adjustment can cut HVAC energy use by over 90% during cold months, translating to a 5 to 10% boost in real-world range. Drivers report staying just as comfortable, even on the coldest days, while their battery holds on to those precious miles. It is a simple daily habit that makes a noticeable difference every winter drive. In second place, preconditioning while plugged in stands out as a daily habit that can rescue your EV's range, especially in cold weather. When you start your car on a winter morning, heating the cabin and battery can draw between 3,000 and 6,000 watts, energy that comes straight from your battery if you skip this step. But with preconditioning, your EV uses grid power to warm up before you unplug, saving that massive energy hit for actual driving. Cold-soaked batteries don't just reduce range, they can also shut down regenerative braking entirely, as seen in older Nissan LEAFs, where Regen bars disappear below freezing. Scheduling a 20 to 30 minute precondition in your car's app, like Tesla, Ford Pass, or My Hyundai, ensures you leave with a warm cabin and a battery ready for full performance. Owners report regaining 10 to 20% of their winter range just by making this a routine. It's a simple tap in your app, but the payoff is huge. More miles, restored regen, and a battery that feels like new, even on the coldest days. And finally, in first place, the 100% Rebalance, also known as a battery management system, BMS, Reset, delivers the single biggest range recovery any EV owner can do at home. Over months of use, the hundreds of cells inside your battery pack drift out of sync, with some holding more charge than others. The battery management system, BMS, senses this imbalance and quietly limits your usable capacity to the weakest cell. That is why your range can shrink even when the battery seems healthy. The fix is simple. Charge to 100% using level 2 AC at home, then leave your car plugged in for another 1 to 2 hours after it says full. This extra time lets the BMS run passive balancing, tapering currents of 50 to 500 milliamps to equalize cell voltages, often bringing the spread under 20 millivolts. Owners report regaining 5 to 15 miles of range in a single session. But here is the caveat. Manufacturers like Hyundai and Tesla warn against daily 100% charging, since it can accelerate battery aging. Reserve this hack for every 1 to 3 months. Always precondition your battery to moderate temperatures before you start. Done right, this protocol can make your EV's range feel factory fresh with no expensive upgrades required. Across all 9 hacks, one truth stands out. EV range isn't lost to time, it's surrendered to small, overlooked habits. Smart drivers reclaim miles, not with upgrades, but with awareness and action. In the world of electric vehicles, efficiency is a choice you make every day. What will you change first?